everyone, welcome to Gallant IAS Let's Go 120 Plus. Here we discuss some model questions. Through that, we solve the question and learn some of the concepts and facts that will be really helpful for your UPSC preliminary preparation. Okay, here the question is, consider the following statements about the value added method for national income calculation. So here the question is regarding national income calculation. First statement, gross value added at factor cost includes production taxes. Second statement, GVA at basic prices includes production taxes and excludes production subsidies available on the commodity. Third statement, GVA at market prices include both production and product taxes and excludes both production and product subsidies. So, national income we can calculate at factor cost level, basic price level and market price level. What are the difference between factor cost, basic price and market price? Okay, that's what we are going to discuss here. Factor cost, cost of all factors of production. That is what factor cost is. Cost of all factors of production. To produce any commodity, to produce any product, there is 4 factors. To produce any product, there is 4 factors we must use. That is land, labor, capital, organization. For each of these factors using, there is a cost. For land, we need to pay rent. For labor, the cost for labor is wage. For capital, we need to pay interest. For organization, we need to pay profit. So price of any commodity is the sum of these 4 factors of production's cost. Okay, price of any commodities will be the sum of these 4 factors of production. But we purchasing it from market, we need to pay additionally taxes also. Okay, that what the difference between factor cost, basic price and market price. While we calculating national income at factor cost, what we are doing is summing up the cost of all factors of production, that is land, labor, capital, organization, cost of all commodities in the economy, that is what national income at factor cost. Here, no taxes will be included. Here, no taxes will be included. National income calculated at producer's level without including any taxes. The cost incurred for producing output in the economy. The cost incurred for producers in the economy. That is what national income at factor cost level. With this factor cost, if we add production taxes, with the factor cost, if we add production taxes, that is a fixed variable, and subtract production subsidies, we will get national income at basic price level. National income at basic price level. So factor cost plus production tax minus production tax minus production subsidies is what national income at basic price. So what is this production tax? Production tax is fixed tax. Whether there is production is happening or not, we need to pay this fixed tax, that is land tax or registration tax. It's not depends upon the quantity of production. It is fixed. How much quantity we produce is not applied here. It is fixed charges that the producers need to pay. Then basic price, with the basic price, if we add product taxes and reduce production subsidies, We will get national income at market price. National income at market price. So basic price plus product tax minus production subsidies is what? National income at market price. So what is the difference between production tax and product tax? Production tax, like I said, is fixed variable. Whether production is 100 unit or 1000 unit or 10,000 unit, the production tax will be same. Okay, it is fixed. But product tax depends upon the quantity of output. 100 units, the product tax will change if it is increased to 1000 units, and it increase when it increased to 10,000 unit. Product tax depends upon the quantity of production. It is tax charged on the output, individual output. That is what product tax. Like product subsidies, same. So basic price plus product tax minus production subsidy, not production, product subsidies is what market price is. Okay. So factor cost plus production tax minus production subsidy, basic price plus product tax minus product subsidy is what? Market price. So this is the difference between factor cost, basic price and market price. Factor cost is calculated at producer's level. Basic price, the charge producers need to pay to to make these commodities available in the market. Then market price is price the consumers need to pay to get this commodity. That is the difference between factor cost, basic price and market price. Factor cost producers level, basic price market level, market price consumer level. Okay. So this is what these three concepts is. Then let's solve the question. Consider the following statements about the value added method for national income calculation. First statement, gross value added at factor cost include production taxes. That is wrong. Factor cost does not include any kind of taxes, whether production tax or product tax. No taxes will be included while calculating factor cost. Okay. So the first statement is wrong. If we apply the elimination method, just knowing the first statement without any knowledge regarding second and third statement, you can answer the question. If you just apply the elimination method, first statement is wrong. If first statement is wrong, then you can eliminate option A, C, D, which include the first option, first statement option. So remaining is B. You get the answer. That is 2 and 3 only. Without looking the second and third statement, you got the answer using elimination method. So apply that kind of methods also. Even though just look the second statement. GVA basic prices includes production taxes and excludes production subsidies available on the commodity. That is correct. That is what basic price is. It includes production taxes and excludes production subsidies. And GVA and market prices include both production and product taxes and excludes both production and product subsidies. Market price include both taxes, product and production taxes, and exclude both subsidies, product and production subsidies. So the second and third statements are correct. So the answer is option B, 2 and 3. Answer is option B, 2 and 3. Okay. Thank you.